before and after. That's a big difference. Get that rustle. Right, what's up YouTube? We're back with another video, and today we are installing the big brake kit from mr2 Heavens.
Dream bigger, be bigger, like yeah say. Oh, that's the new you. Well, I shan't. Gotta sort yourself out. I'm still trying to get it
For a reason. Jeez, look at that size difference. We're getting everything ready.
Some words can never be taken away. Gotta do what's best for you to make.
Big boy upgrades.
Joy, cause they just want you in that same old predicament. Misery, love a company, think on it, pray on it. Sip a cup of tea. Never let the world be broken in the borders. And I'ma tell you like I would tell my daughter.
Because I have a feeling that it actually goes this way and goes up here and not there, but we're just gonna have to have a look and
yeah, we'll have to watch some videos.
I've never done a new
but everything's nicely lined up, everything's ready to go. Adam's been working hard.
Yeah, back's gone.
Back's gone.
Needs more, bro. Needs way more.
Grinding, yeah?
Way more.
I'm still trying to get it like every day. Humbleness is hard when you start receiving praise. Scars heal, but some words can never be taken away. Gotta do what's best for you to make life over